Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Today, I'm going to show you one popular dish in Portuguese cuisine, prawns in garlic and beer sauce, or in Portuguese, camarões com cerveja. This dish is perfect to enjoy in the summer. The recipe is very simple and easy to make at home, so stay tuned and follow all the steps for a perfect result. Let's get started. As ingredients you will need 1 kilogram of prawns, 5 cloves of garlic, half a glass of olive oil, 100 grams of butter, 2 bay leaves, a can of beer and some chili peppers. We recommend using unpeeled prawns to ensure a more intense flavor of the sauce. But if you want, you can use peeled shrimp, it's also good. Start by chopping the garlic. In a frying pan, add the olive oil, the butter, the garlic and the bay leaves. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Add the prawns and let it cook 2 minutes each side. Add the beer and chili peppers and let it boil for 10 minutes. It's done. Now it's time to enjoy it. To make it a main dish, you can accompany it with fries or rice. Don't forget the bread to dip in the sauce. It goes very well with a good white wine or a cold beer. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any questions or want to learn a specific recipe, please leave them in the comments.